Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will learn how to set up widget templates and allocate users to those templates in Logic ERP. Let's get started. First, head to the Setup Widget Templates module. Enter the desired template name in the template column and click on the Save button to save the data. Next, head to the Allocate Widget Template to the Users module. In the Username column, press the spacebar to open the user selection list and choose the user to whom you want to assign the widget template. After selecting the appropriate user, move to the Template column and press the spacebar again to open the drop-down list. Select the required template from the list. Once the selections are completed, click on the Save button to save the data. Now, let's get back to the Setup Widget Templates module. Now, let's configure the relevant template settings. To proceed, move to the Settings column and press the spacebar on the Edit option available against the selected template. The Setup Widget Template configuration window will open for further settings. In the Module Type drop-down list, you can view the available modules such as Sale, Purchase, and Accounts. Within these modules, you can configure and activate the required widget templates as per your business needs. Let's select the module type as Sale. Next, proceed to the widget type drop-down and choose the appropriate widget type as per your requirement. Based on the selected widget type, the system will display the corresponding available widget reports in the list below. Let's set the widget type as Items. After selecting the widget type as Items, the list of available item-related widgets will be displayed in the section below. From the displayed list, enable the widgets you wish to add by changing the Enable option to Yes against the respective widget. You may also configure additional settings if required. We have configured the widget template for the Sale module with the widget type set as Items. We have enabled the widgets, including product information, party items transactions, sale, and party lot transactions, sale. Now, save the settings. Now, let's review the functionality of the widget template. Log in using the same user to whom the widget template has been allocated. Then, go to the Sale Bill module and proceed with the billing process to verify the configured widgets. As you can see, upon transacting an item, the configured widget panel appears on the side of the billing screen. The Item Details widget is displayed, showing complete information related to the selected item and other relevant specifications. Below that, the Party Items Transactions Sale widget is also visible, providing a detailed history of previous transactions for the same item. This helps the user quickly review past sales data while billing. You can also configure which specific columns you wish to display in the widget panel. To customize the columns, press the spacebar on the lot number column to open the lot search window. Then, click on the first icon, Show Sale Item Transactions. This will display all the columns currently displayed in the widget. To customize the columns, go to Setup Column Attributes. Now, select only those columns you want to display on the screen. After saving the changes, the widget panel will display only the selected columns accordingly, ensuring a cleaner and more customized view. In the lower section of the widget panel, you can also view the Party Lot Transactions Sale widget. This widget displays lot-wise transaction details related to sales, providing clear visibility of previous lot movements during the billing process. To customize the columns displayed in this widget, press the space bar on the lot number column. Then, click on the second icon, Show Sale Lot Transactions. Now, go to Setup Column Attributes, select the required columns as per your preference, and save the changes. Once the changes are saved, the Party Lot Transactions Sale widget will be updated accordingly and will display only the selected columns, as configured. This is how the widget template functions in Logic ERP. Similarly, you can also configure widget templates for the purchase and accounts modules as well.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.